So, what is meditation? Really? Because as I already touched upon, what most of us believe it is like a peaceful state that we create by sitting down, using a mantra, or any kind of focusing technique for our mind to silence our mind, and then we bring forth, or we kind of create a state of silence for a while, for however long we sit and meditate. And then once we're done meditating, we go up and keep living our lives and enter back into the stressful state that we're living in usually. But meditation, as I teach it, is not actually a state, a fleeting state of mind. Rather, it is what you already are. Because you are already at the bottom of yourself. Silence. You are already complete. If you just stop annoying yourself and just let the thoughts go, ignore the thoughts, whatever the thought is. It doesn't matter if it's a happy thought, sad thought, angry thought, joyful thought. It doesn't matter. No matter the emotion that goes with the thought or how important the thought seems, it's still something filling the space which is there when there is no thought there. And so the silence and peace and contentment that you feel when you enter a meditative state isn't something that wasn't there before. It's just the absence of all the thoughts that are pulling you every which way. And so we're not going to teach you how to meditate, but you will learn how to ignore and let go of all the noise in your mind, the monkey mind, right? Which you use energy in order to maintain. And this energy that you expel by maintaining all the thoughts are creating a sense of urgency in you. It doesn't matter if it's something pleasurable and positive that you're looking forward to, something you want to do, or if you're not looking forward to something you do not want to do. Whatever it is, thoughts, they're always about something. They have a purpose, even if it's only to complain about your neighbor, And so by letting them go, the silence that is already looking out from your eyes will show itself. So you will be able to see who you really are, what you really are, the state that you actually have, which is just right here. It's perfect as it is right now. And so meditation is that silence, that completeness, which exists in you before you start thinking. It's not an artificially created state.